Morning, my name is Michael Armagura. I will present to you Nature's Scope of Economics. Introduction. Introduction economics seeks to understanding how people interact within the social structure to solve questions concerning production and exchange of goods and services. Production is the conversion of scarce resources into desired goods and services. Land refers to the raw materials, labor refers to the professionals, semi-skilled and unskilled. Semi-skilled worker typically passes higher education than a high school diploma but less than a college degree. Unskilled laborers refers to the work that doesn't require a certain set of skill or formal education. Capital refers to the factory's machine, transportation, equipment, and infrastructure. Capital goods are tangible resources that a business utilize to develop of goods and services that consumers will eventually use. Entrepreneurship refers the factor of production and risk-taking. These are assuming risk, planning, manufacturing, and launching new ventures to test out novel concepts and products. What is scarcity? Scarcity refers to the condition where the quantity desired of a particular resources exceeds the quantity available in the absence of rational system. Scarcity means we have to decide how and what to produce from these limited resources. Goods and services. Final goods and services. Individuals satisfy their needs and wants directly to consume these products. My starting here is that they quickly meet their needs. Intermediate or capital goods. These are goods used to produce other goods. It is said here that they use another commodity to make a new commodity. Rational system. Tradition and culture. This pertains to the problem of the allocation concerning social norms, costumes, and history. It is said here that there are problems that have been discussed in the social standard. Planning and central government command. This refers to the use of complex mathematical tables to determine outputs, goals, and inputs required. It is said to be necessary to know whether it is output or input requirements. Markets. This refers to using a system of prices to act as a means of verification about the availability of resources and desire for those resources. This is a gesture as a means of communication to find out where its potential resources are. Voting and political procedures. This is a communication resource allocation among individuals through development of consensus or majority rule. These are what was agreed upon or discussed. The scope of economics. The study of economics is always expanding, and its political economy were distinguished by Alfred Marshall. The concept of economics, where or not economics, is social science, and whether or not economics is an art are all included in the field scope. The economics is the science study of a society ability to produce goods and services. Economics applied in science. Applied economics acts as the mechanism to determine what steps can reasonably be taken to improve the current economic situation. Economics applied in science. Example, purchase of goods and services, usage of raw materials, and division of labor. Economics is also a science because the law possesses universal validity such as the law of supply and demand, law of diminishing marginal utility. Economics as a social science. Economics is the scientific study of ownership, use, and exchange of scarce resources, often shortened to the science of scarcity. Economics attempts to explain economics behavior, which arises with scarce resources are exchanged. Economics as an arts and science. Economics is an arts because different theories and laws are explained with the help of graph, figures, tables, and equations. What are the two branches of economics? Microeconomics, a branch of economics that studies the behavior of individual units such as a household, individuals, and enterprises within the economy. Macroeconomics focuses on the performance of economies, change in economics output, inflation, interest, and foreign exchange rates, and the balance of the payment. Microeconomics focus on the smaller parts of the economy while macroeconomics focuses on the larger concept of the economy.